Every night, the walls of Mr. Tony's house trembled, not from storms or earthquakes, but from his thunderous snoring. His wife, Clara, had tried everything: earplugs, pillows over her head, even sleeping in the living room. Nothing worked. One morning, after a sleepless night, Clara handed him a note: "Either you fix the snoring, or I'll start sleeping at the neighbor's." That got Tony's attention. He started his quest by visiting a doctor, who told him, "Snoring happens when your airway gets blocked during sleep. Let's find your trigger." Tony discovered a few culprits. He always had late dinners, slept flat on his back, and carried extra weight around his neck. Determined, he began making changes. He stopped eating 2 hours before bed, reduced alcohol, and began walking every evening. Clara also bought him a wedge pillow that kept him sleeping slightly upright. Within weeks, the difference was huge. But the final breakthrough came when Tony tried something unusual: nasal strips. They opened up his nose, making it easier to breathe at night. For the first time in years, Clara slept peacefully through the night. The next morning, she woke up smiling and whispered, "You did it, Tony. You stopped snoring." He grinned. "Guess I'll keep the neighbor's bed free then." From that day on, Tony wasn't just a quiet sleeper, he was living proof that small, consistent changes could silence even the loudest snore.